Live beautifully is the ultimate expression of self. Like snowflakes, no two are alike. It is deeply personal. It is the accumulation of lifetime experiences with the people, places, and things you love. Sometimes, even designers get us better than we get ourselves, and help create spaces that reflect who we are and aspire to be. Like delighting in the familiar with the people you love, and the simplest of meals at home, or finding oneself in the unexpected, the places you visit, the strangers you encounter, and feeling renewal from our past, where you've been, the items you cherish, the celebrations of family and friends. At the core, Live Beautifully is an invitation, or even a challenge to make the most of every single day. Live Beautifully is also an acknowledgment that as a brand, HanStone at best is a backdrop for life's special and even not so special moments. And we strive to make products that enhance life's journey.